Hey buddy, thanks for tuning in to today's video. Going to do the weather for the week ahead. Today we've got a lot of dry weather ready to come across many parts of the country in the coming week, but it will be turning cooler. I think we're going to have some particularly cold nights coming up actually through the first and middle part of the coming week. Anyway, before we get on, video just talk about the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad overlay on my web videos at GazWebBids.com. Please pay us videos. You will be supporting GazWebBids.com by doing that. Also want to mention the websites we're using for this video. First of all, we've got the charts from weathercentral.de, and then at the end we're going to use the charts from theweatheroutlook.com. You can find both of those websites on my links page. So this is the situation today. We've got high pressure just ridging in across England and Wales. A very transient ridge of high pressure really this, but it is ridging in off the Atlantic. Low pressure to the north of the country. That's going to be bringing a weather system into the north tonight and through the course of Sunday. But for today, I think we're looking at a lot of dry weather, really plenty of sunshine across many parts of the country. Will cloud over across northwest Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of the afternoon into the evening, but most places should stay dry, and there's good sunny spells really across many parts of England and Wales in particular. It's quite windy in the north, but winds are light in the south, although there's a bit of a breeze blowing from the west. Temperatures today up to around 21 degrees, 21 is 70 Fahrenheit, so really very pleasant September day indeed. Now, as we go through the course of the night, we're going to find this area of low pressure deepening to the north of Scotland, bringing a weather system in towards Scotland and Northern Ireland. So we'll have outbreaks of rain and a freshening wind setting in across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of the night. But for the rest of the country, a good deal of dry weather continuing through the night, with clear spells particularly focused for England and Wales. Temperatures around 8 degrees to around 12 or 13. The highest temperatures in the northwest actually, with the cloud and the rain setting in. Now, through the course of Sunday, we're going to find that weather system moving south and east across the country. It will be as a rapidly weakening feature, so we'll have a wet start for much of Scotland, Northern Ireland, that rain coming down into northern England through the course of the morning. And then it'll move further southwards in towards Wales, parts of the Midlands, Lincolnshire into the afternoon, but it'll be turning much lighter as it comes southwards, becoming very light and patchy through much of England and Wales. So many central, southern and southeast parts will actually stay dry with a fair amount of sunshine through the day, but it will turn increasingly cloudy, I think, through the afternoon in the south. Now, to the north, it's going to brighten up. There'll be sunshine and showers being fed in on this strong westerly wind through Scotland and Northern Ireland. Temperatures are a little bit down on those of today, so probably looking at temperature maximums of around 19 or 20 in the south and the southeast. Up in the north, looking at maximums of around 13 or 14 degrees. On Monday, that very weak weather system has cleared away overnight, Sunday and into Monday, and then we're into this run of west to northwesterly winds coming down across the country from this main area of low pressure up to the north of Scotland. That's going to be cooler. It'll be turning cooler behind that weather system. So Monday will be a cooler day, I think, and bringing in sunshine and showers ready to Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, parts of Wales as well. Some of those showers could be quite heavy, but for many southern, southeastern parts of the country, Midlands as well, a good deal of dry weather on Monday, and most places will be fine with some sunny spells. Temperatures a bit down again on Monday. It'll be a cooler day, so looking at maximums of around 18, maybe 19 degrees in the south. That's around the mid-60s Fahrenheit. In the north, around 13, maybe 14 degrees. 14 is 57 Fahrenheit. That low pressure is moving into Scandinavia on Tuesday. A bit of a ridge of high pressure beginning to move in from the Atlantic, but we're in this very cool north to northwesterly flow. Still a few showers coming down across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland on Tuesday, but probably fewer showers really on Tuesday than there will be on Monday. A lot of dry weather, but a fair amount of cloud coming down with this northwesterly wind, so that'll be a problem, I think, on Tuesday. Quite a lot of cloud really across the country, although some bright or sunny spells will still be possible. Temperatures down again on Tuesday, so maximums of around 17 or 18 degrees at best really. That's the low 60s Fahrenheit, and certainly feeling quite chilly in that wind. Now, going into Wednesday, the high pressure moves in off the Atlantic. So overnight, Tuesday into Wednesday, it'll turn clear and cold, I think, across many parts of the country. It could well be a widespread ground frost to start Wednesday. But Wednesday itself, not too bad at all under this ridge of high pressure. So a good deal of fine weather Plenty of sunshine. Will be chilly. It will be feeling autumnal. Could be some mist and fog patches as well to start with on Wednesday morning. Temperatures eventually struggling up to around 15, 16, 17 degrees. Maybe 18s and 19s along the south coast. But really most of us will be in the low to mid-teens on Wednesday. So quite a chilly day despite the sunshine. Autumnal feeling day. But not too bad. It will be dry and there will be sunny spells. Things get more complicated as we're going towards the latter stage of the week, model beginning to diverge for Thursday and Friday. It looks so high pressure will start to slip away to the southeast. We'll start to bring some sort of low pressure in from the Atlantic, but how this happens and how extensive the rainfall is open to question. I think Thursday will start off dry and fine and cold, another widespread ground frost possible on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, but then there'll be a good deal of dry weather again on Thursday, although some rain perhaps coming into the north and west later on in the day. Temperatures around 16, 17 degrees once again. For Friday, again, it's getting very complicated, very uncertain how this happens, but low pressure probably starts to move in off the Atlantic. How extensive it is, really open to question, but expect an increasing risk of showers, at least I think, as we go towards the end of the week. So Friday may have showers across the country, and temperatures again around 16, 17 degrees. And then going into the weekend, there's definitely an indication here that we might start to see low pressure becoming more dominant across the country, and that probably sets us up for a much more unsettled final week of September. I've been talking about this in the videos recently, but it may turn very unsettled for the final week of September. So for Saturday and into next weekend, probably an increasing risk of rain coming in off the Atlantic, general rain, and temperatures again just into the mid-teens at best. But a lot of uncertainty for the end of the week and the weekend. Keep coming back in the next few days. I'll be keeping you updated on what happens for the end of the week and the weekend. Finally, have a look for charts from weatheroutlook.com. This is the chart for today. Lots of dry and sunny weather here across the country. A really nice day. Temperatures up to around 20, 21 degrees. Do get out and enjoy it. Now we're going to start to see rain coming down across the country, across the northern parts of the country, I should say, overnight tonight. So that sets us up for quite a wet day, really, for Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Northern England on Sunday. At least a wet morning. That'll come southwards and weaken all the time as it does so, but it will thicken up the cloud across England and Wales. For Monday, well, lots of dry weather across England and Wales. Showers up here in the northwest. Temperatures will be dipping away though on Monday once that weather system goes through. Despite the fact it's a very weak system, it will be bring cooler weather in off the Atlantic from the northern Atlantic. Lots of dry and fine weather into Tuesday. Plenty of sunshine, but temperatures on the cool side will be cold early and late. Similar story for Wednesday. Lots of dry weather, plenty of sunshine, but cold early and late. Could be ground frost on both Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Thursday and Friday, things get more uncertain. The indication here of some sort of showers or longer spells of rain coming in from the northwest, but really plenty of dry weather continuing for the south and the east, probably for most of the week. But by the weekend, it may well be turning generally unsettled just about everywhere. So that's it really. It's going to be a fine week really for England and Wales. Lots of dry weather persisting. Temperatures taking a dip by the time we get through to the end of the week and the weekend, possibly turning more generally unsettled. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.